Leadership is sharing power with others to accomplish the essential tasks of life, to build community and dignity with a clear mind and compassion. It is the ability to make choices that will impact our collective well-being. That's not simple. It requires an ability to listen and the capability to learn and grow. In order to truly appreciate the opportunities that are emerging, we need to first understand the past. With this, we can be more aware and flexible to deal with an unpredictable future. The world is changing. The future is not what we consider it to be. It is requiring from us a willingness to give up our comfort zone. Ignore themselves. It is a component of leadership that the individual takes responsibility for their own well-being, dignity and happiness, and is prepared to take steps to change. Humility. We are to be humble in every action, and this includes what we are willing to do and say to help others. Leadership is not the same thing as success or failure. We have all failed, but we can recognize the mistakes that we made and learn from them.